Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my channel about graphic design. And today I want to tell you about my 5 favorite online websites about graphic design. And if you're interested, please keep watching. The first is the Creative Bloq. The designers of this blog say that Creative Bloq provides plenty of advice and inspiration every day for digital and traditional artists, web designers, graphic designers, 3D artists, illustrators, and many more. They offer the very best creative work to their audience and offer the knowledge that allows them to keep abreast of the latest trends and developments in global design and create their best works. And it's true, guys. The most interesting folder here for me is a graphic design. Let's look inside. For example, with help of this blog, I created one of my latest videos about colors of the year 2021. As well, you can find here a lot of useful information about, for example, the best tablets for a graphic designer or what the best mouse for Mac. The next blog is a graphic design Junction. I would say that blog is a helper of a graphic designer. For example, let's go to the fonts. Here you find a lot of sets with fonts in different styles and most trendy in last time. And now let's look inside this set. Okay, let's look. Here you see the list of the fonts, and here our fonts. And the most fantastic here, what here we have link to the font. So you can press it and voila, here you can download the font absolutely free. As well, here we have very interesting folder and it's freebies. You can find here free files, for example, free PSD files or our great free fonts for 2021, more fonts, mockups, fonts. As well, you can find here free 2 pages with resume templates. Again, fonts, and you see here a lot of pages with freebies, and it's very useful. And I like that I can find here mockups. It's a very important thing for any designer. You see here different types of mockups, and I like it very much. But the most fantastic here is a tutorials folder. You can find here tons of tutorials with Adobe Illustrator or with Photoshop, so it's very useful, especially for beginners. For example, you see here Illustrator tutorials, 33 new Adobe Illustrator tuts, learn drawing and illustration. It's from 2020. Here you see the first tutorial and here the link to this tutorial. Mostly these tutorials on the YouTube. So, and here you see my tutorial. I'm pleased. It's truly very pleasure to me to see my tutorials here as well. This is my tutorial. The next blog is EntatoTuts Plus. And the most fantastic here is how-to tutorials. You see they have here a lot of tutorials on web design, music and audio, 3D. So we are interested in graphic design and Adobe Illustrator and of course vector. Let's look in graphic design. Okay guys, here you see for example best modern logos with simple designs, creative examples for 2021, or you can learn how to make brochure, or you can see here a lot of templates, or you can see here 20 best real estate agent and company logo designs, or how you can to create an inspirational vector political poster. As well, you can find here typography tutorials. So it's a very useful and interesting blog. Let's look here, vector. What we can find here, for example, you can to know how to design a face mask, or again this tutorial, or how to create a vector medical face mask mockup, or how to create this gold chain pattern brush with Adobe Illustrator. So you see here you can create t-shirt mockup, and as you see here you have a lot of pages with different useful tutorials for you as for a graphic designer. The next one is a Dribbble blog. The Dribbble is a community of the designers around the world. Here you can find very useful information about last trends, time management, tips and tricks about design, and interviews and advices professional graphic designers. And the last one is a graphic mama. Here I like to read the last and interesting information about a graphic design. For example, here you see graphic design trends 2021. Or as well you see here colors of the year 2021. As well you can find here tutorials and freebies. And now let's look on the trends 2021. Okay guys, the first trend is a 3D design. I think it's very fantastic trend. It's so delicious and interesting. I like it so much. The next trend is emoji design. It's so cute. I think that emoji is a classical trend for in all times. I love it so much. So I think it will be our trend the whole life. The next one is a nature inspired design. It's a design where you can see plants, flowers, a lot of green color. And the next one is optical illusion design. It's very interesting and trendy design. I like it. So I think you like it too. The next one is 3D typography design. I think it looks very realistic and interesting, and I think anyone like that interesting design. The next one, cartoon illustration in design. It always looks very funny and interesting. Then designer use the cartoon illustrations in his designs. The next one, gold design. I love it the most. I love the gold. I think anyone like the gold and the shiny designs. As well, you can see here gold and material mix for modern design. It's the same, very interesting look. How do you think? Wow, it's amazing. The next one, voxel art design. It's like, I think, Minecraft. How do you think? It looks like Minecraft. It's the same, very interesting and of course trendy. The next one is monochrome and duotone design. The next one, geometric shapes design. The trend with us is the same the last few years, and I think it will be with us a lot of time because it's very interesting. The next one, typography chaos design. I think that looks very cool. And one more trend is colorless design. It's design without color, just black and white. But sometimes, as you see here, we have one more color, but still it's colorless design. That's all, guys. That were trends of 2021. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my video. If yes, give me a like and subscribe. And see you in the next videos about a graphic design and in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator. Bye bye guys. Mwah. Bye.